Fun facts about Egypt. Hello everyone. Today, we're taking a magical journey to Egypt, a country full of ancient history, incredible landmarks, and fascinating culture. Get ready to explore some amazing facts about this extraordinary place. Are you ready? Let's begin. Egypt is located in North Africa and is famous for its ancient civilization and stunning monuments. One of the most iconic landmarks in Egypt is the Pyramids of Giza. These pyramids were built over 4,500 years ago as tombs for the pharaohs, who were the kings and queens of ancient Egypt. The largest pyramid, known as the Great Pyramid, is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Have you ever heard of the Sphinx? The Sphinx is a massive statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh. It sits near the Pyramids of Giza and is one of the most famous monuments in Egypt. The Sphinx has watched over the pyramids for thousands of years and continues to amaze visitors from all over the world. The Nile River, the longest river in the world, flows through Egypt. The Nile was incredibly important to the ancient Egyptians as it provided water for drinking, farming, and transportation. Every year, the Nile would flood, bringing rich soil to the land and helping crops grow. Today, the Nile River is still essential to life in Egypt. Ancient Egyptians wrote in a special script called hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs are pictures and symbols used to represent sounds and words. They wrote on papyrus, a type of paper made from the papyrus plant. You can see hieroglyphs on the walls of temples and tombs, telling stories of gods, pharaohs, and daily life in ancient Egypt. One of the most famous pharaohs of Egypt was Tutankhamun, often called King Tut. He became pharaoh when he was just 9 years old. His tomb was discovered in 1922, filled with incredible treasures and artifacts. The discovery of King Tut's tomb gave us a glimpse into the life and beliefs of ancient Egyptians. The capital city of Egypt is Cairo, one of the largest cities in Africa. Cairo is a bustling city known for its vibrant culture and rich history. You can visit the Egyptian Museum in Cairo, where you can see thousands of ancient artifacts, including mummies, jewelry, and statues. Egypt is also famous for its beautiful temples. The Temple of Karnak and the Temple of Luxor are located in the city of Luxor and are some of the largest temple complexes in the world. These temples were built to honor the gods and pharaohs and are filled with stunning columns, statues, and hieroglyphs. Did you know that cats were very special in ancient Egypt? Egyptians believed that cats were magical creatures that brought good luck. They even had a goddess named Batet, who was depicted as a lioness or a woman with a cat's head. Cats were so important that harming a cat was considered a serious crime. Egyptians had a unique way of preserving bodies called mummification. This process involved removing the internal organs, drying the body with special salts, and wrapping it in linen bandages. Mummies were placed in tombs, along with treasures and items they might need in the afterlife. The ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife, where the deceased would live forever. One of the most interesting places in Egypt is the Valley of the Kings. This valley is located near Luxor and is the burial site of many pharaohs and nobles. Tombs were carved into the rock and decorated with colorful paintings and hieroglyphs. Archaeologists continue to explore the valley, discovering new tombs and treasures. The Red Sea, located to the east of Egypt, is known for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. It's a popular destination for snorkeling and scuba diving, where you can see colorful fish, sea turtles, and even dolphins. The Red Sea is one of the best places in the world to explore underwater life. Have you ever heard of Cleopatra? She was one of the last pharaohs of ancient Egypt and is famous for her intelligence and beauty. Cleopatra was a skilled leader and spoke several languages. She formed alliances with powerful Roman leaders, including Julius Caesar and Mark Antony, to protect Egypt. Egypt has a special dish called koshari, which is a mix of rice, pasta, lentils, and chickpeas topped with tomato sauce and crispy onions. It's a popular street food in Egypt and is delicious and filling. Egyptians also enjoy falafel, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, and baklava, a sweet pastry with layers of nuts and honey. Egypt is known for its beautiful oases in the desert. An oasis is a fertile area with water and plants surrounded by desert. The Siwa Oasis is one of the most famous oases in Egypt and is home to palm trees, hot springs, and ancient ruins. It's a peaceful place to relax and enjoy nature. Education is important in Egypt, and children go to school just like you do. They learn subjects like math, science, and history, and they also study the Arabic language. Schools in Egypt often have special activities where students can learn about their country's history and culture. And there you have it, some fun and fascinating facts about Egypt, from its ancient pyramids and temples to its vibrant culture and friendly people. Egypt is a country full of wonders and adventures. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing place as much as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of our world.